What is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, we have New Zealand dollar and US dollar. Okay, this is forex, all right? This is this pair where I took one trade, which I want to like do a quick recap. Okay, so just trying to show you how I did manage to take that trade. All right. Also, I'm just going to explain throughout the video. So as you can see, this is just so I can know, okay, just because I'm going to zoom out and I'm just going to give you a understanding, all right? As you can see, why did I manage to take a trade from here? It was a long position, all right? It looked something like this. Okay, it was a great like around 1 to 6 hour, but we're gonna get back straight into it like in a second. Smart money concept, okay? Let's just get straight into it. First of all, what happened was I just saw that like of course if you just zoom out and just go to the daily time frame, we were like in a downtrend. What changed my mind was we had a more like this was a change of character right here. As you can see, we had that change of character. After we did manage to have that, okay, multiple ones, and overall I think that this is a just a like a beautiful example of accumulation, all right? What happened was okay, we broke through the structure. I mean, we had that change of character here multiple times. Then we had the BOS here, another BOS. Then what I saw right here was on the higher time frame. If I go maybe to the 8 hour time frame, here we are in the demand area. Okay, but what happened was we came back down to mitigate this imbalance. All right, from here on, I saw after like this movement to the opposite around here. I hope that you can understand what I'm talking about. After this mitigation, we pushed back up, came back down, like mitigated something. After this break of structure, I was looking for well, like to catch these moves like down here, but I was waiting maybe like we could just break through the structure. We have this liquidity, and this could have been like invalid. After we broke for the second time, what I did was I like just scaled to the lower time frame. Okay, I use the fixed range. We're just trying to like locate this demand area right here. And I obviously like went to the 10 minute, even the 5 minute time frame to just trying to refine this area, okay, this demand area. And as you can clearly see, here we have a unmitigated um, demand area that was like tested multiple times. We're gonna get straight into it like in a second. As you can see, I'm just gonna delete this. This is how it looks like. Okay, we can just use it from here, and this could be again an unmitigated one. But yeah, let's just like leave it like that. This is the 5 minute, as I said. You can see, okay, we are zooming in. This does seem like it was mitigated, but it's not big of a deal right now. Okay, this is a not the rest like downside candle before the up move. It's basically the last candle, or right? Why? Because if I move go to the lower time frame, for example, right now 3 minute time frame, we're gonna find uh, candles that are bearish in that order. So it basically will not make sense. It's just how it works, all right? We just like managed to mark that demand area. Okay, last candle, not less bearish, but overall the last candle. This is not what I'm talking about right here, right? And as you see, we had that. After that mitigation, of course, like you could have been waiting for like more movements to the downside, but this like maybe just you took the half of the risk. Like for example, you're putting 0.5% per trade right here, right? You could have used the 50%, which would have been a more great approach, all right? A greater approach. For example, this is the 50% right here. As you see, it was mitigated exactly right here. I mean, this is why it works because it just does. We came back right here. As you can see, I had my entry right there. Like what I'm trying to do right now, okay, in my trading journey is that I'm not trying to take partials. Okay, I just want to get paid in full. I just manage my trades, and I'm also I have trailing stop. All right, where now this was the stop loss was not that small. To be honest with y'all, it was around 8 pips long. Yes, you see 8. What did we target was this high right here, all right? Because here we have a lot of liquidity. So what happened? This was a grade around like 7.8. Yeah, I said that it was 6, but it was around here, around these numbers. I cannot remember right now. Maybe my like lows were low here, but who knows? It was around 6 overall. I'm gonna leave it like this, just for the purpose of the video. So right now I'm gonna delete this. Also gonna delete this. And as you can see, we did manage to get mitigated. As I said, if I, yeah, I got like, I didn't manage to get into the trade. Okay, first of all, here, if I like did the same thing as a lot of people are doing, as you see, we went there 1 to 1 right here. I could have like partial out, have my stop loss at the break even, and then after that, what could have happened? All right, I would have been stopped out. But as I said, I'm trying not to partial out. I'm just trying to get paid in full. After like we reach a certain point, I'm just gonna wait. I mean, after we broke that high, I'm gonna have my stop loss at the break even. All right. After that, I'm gonna move my stop loss here. Okay. I'm not gonna partial out because I want to get paid in full. Like that's how I just want. Okay. This is how my trading plan works, and basically what works for me. It was a great trade. As I said, I took that with like 0.25%. Like this is not it. All right. As I said, it was around 7 to 6%, but it was overall a great zero point 0.5. Yeah, I think I used 0.5%. I don't know, but it again 6 point something per RR, which is pretty great. So let me know what are the thoughts about this. How this is how you can trade state mine. This is just a quick trade recap, smart money concept, and all of the good stuff. I will start to do more education videos like this. So have a great day for the rest of your day and peace out.